Hey guys, Chad here from CNR Reviews. We're the Walther P1/P38. We'll be shooting today at the range, and we got 7 rounds loaded up in the mag. It's actually 8 rounds. I already took 1 shot prematurely. And that's the first round. I don't know if Ryan can show you that. Ever shot out of this gun. So let's do some shooting, guys. See how this guy performs.
Not a bad little grouping there. Chad, do you want to give some history on it at all, or?
This is a World War II pistol. They made the P38 Nazis, and this one is from 1977.
So I think he's dead.
This one was made for the German military, and this wasn't issued P1. The P38 and the P1 are very similar. This is the one that already has the hex bolt that's been replaced by Walther. Aluminum frame gun, 9mm Luger. Kind of a neat gun, guys. We'll do some more history stuff when we actually talk about like the and stuff. So let's go and load this guy up. You want to put the next mag through it?
Sure.
Let's get that European mag release. Kind of different.
Where's the grips come out in place?
They can.
Pull the hammer. Sweet.
They actually make custom ones. Marskell makes custom grips for this gun, guys. So they made custom grips for my Bursa 380.
Just the first one.
It does have that European style catch on the bottom too, guys.
You had 1 flyer. That wasn't too bad. What do you think?
That is pretty sweet. That is pretty cool, man. Looks like the gun from Indiana Jones in The Last Crusade.
So guys, that's just a piece of history right there. Another surplus gun. If you have any questions regarding the Walther P38/P1, let us know. And this is Chad and Ryan from CNR Reviews. Have a good day.